Here I have HTC U11 and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by holding a power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a few seconds, keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as download mode pops up in front of you. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here you can choose the system info, you can choose the show barcode. Let me choose the system info for example. You can read the serial number and the email number. Let's press power key to go back. You may also show barcode right here. The barcodes with email number, serial number and MB number. You may also reboot to bootloader, reboot to download, or if you would like to quit this mode, let's choose either reboot or power down. In my case, let me choose reboot and press power key to select it. Now the device is booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, the device is in normal mode, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.